I think Emily and I could talk about food all day. Actually, Emily definitely
Well,
could.
that's
all
my
the
job,
stories.
yeah. I talk about food all day. I'm Emily Matthew. I'm the food literacy specialist at Halifax Public Libraries.
And I'm Ken Willaments. I'm the Programming and Community Engagement Manager for the Basin District, and I also work on the food strategy for the library.
So at the library, I'm so excited to be a part of this food movement that we've been working with for years now, where we're incorporating lots of different food initiatives, such as food literacy programs, free healthy snacks for everybody that are barrier-free for our community, as well as doing things like social teas and small events that can help people who are experiencing social isolation come together and meet and feel included in the community. So the library really focuses on filling gaps that we see occur as they're happening. And a few discrepancies we've seen is the rising cost of food and the food security of our community members. And so we wanted to fill this gap by not just offering free food and food charity, but we also wanted to teach people how to cook themselves, how to save money at the grocery store, and how to provide their families with, affordable, nutritious meals that they can feel proud about serving.
During the pandemic, the library did move to a lot of online learning. We also moved to a delivery model. So not only were our programs online, but we also helped provide some of the food so people can participate at home as food programming occurred. We also went into the emergency food response realm, where the library had received funding through the Canadian Medical Association and through the municipality to help support meeting people where they were, where they had immediate food needs that needed some immediate food action. So the library was able to help with that.
Something else that really changed during the pandemic is that we started to increase our snack distribution and our meal distribution. So a lot of my energy focused into providing healthy, nutritious meals and snacks to the community. Even when the library was completely shut down, we were able to work with community partners to offer these services. So we really didn't skip a beat the entire time.
Probably one of the greatest things about libraries is just seeing the progress. Like Emily is saying, she's looking forward 5 years. I'm looking back 10 years and just seeing how far we've come.
Yeah.